Changing your payout method on Wilson Bank and Trust is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Wilson Bank and Trust website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In the Account Settings, find the option labeled Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods or available alternatives. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the required information, review your changes carefully. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to check back periodically to ensure your payout method is set as desired. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.